Hello everyone. Today we will look at the DIY proof of concept project, Light Operated Appliance Switch, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Automation is everywhere in daily life. Phones unlock with a fingerprint and lights turn on with a voice command. Technology makes things easier. But what if a simple light beam could control home appliances? That's what this project does. You can turn appliances on and off with just your phone's torch. No remotes, no buttons, just a beam of light. Sounds simple, right? This device works as a light-operated switch, detecting light changes to control appliances easily. This project makes it easier for people with physical disabilities to control appliances. It also saves energy by turning lights on only when needed. This project is great for students who want to learn how light sensors work. People who enjoy DIY projects can build it to control home appliances. Teachers can use it to show how simple circuits work. Even beginners can try it because it uses basic electronic parts. Ready to find out how it works? This is our prototype. On bringing the phone's flashlight near the circuit, the light falls on the LDR and the LED turns on, indicating the electric appliance turns on. Similarly, on bringing the light close again, the LED turns off. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. LDR detects light changes with low resistance in bright light and high resistance in darkness, helping to switch appliances. LM358 op-amp compares the LDR's signal and creates pulses when light changes. The 4017 decade counter receives pulses and switches the appliance on or off. The BC337 transistor acts like a switch to turn the relay on. 12-volt SPDT relay controls the appliance by switching it on or off based on the transistor's signal. Resistors and capacitors help control voltage and keep the circuit stable. The LED indicator shows if the circuit is working. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components including LDR, op-amp, decade counter, transistor, relay, diode, resistors, capacitors, and LED on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, power up the circuit. On bringing the phone's flashlight near the circuit, the light falls on the LDR and the LED turns on, indicating the electric appliance turns on. Voila! It works. So, what did you learn? Learned how to make a switch that controls appliances with a mobile phone torch. Learned how light changes are detected by the LDR and turned into electrical signals. Interested in developing your own light-operated appliance switch? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.